Hi everyone, Liz here. Thanks for stopping by. So, ho ho ho, 1st of December. So we've got 2 advent calendars to open. Yay! 24 days to go. Yay! Okay, so we have our National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation advent calendar to open, which we did an unboxing on. If you check up in the playlist there, that was really good fun. My favourite Christmas movie, so yay. But we have this one, and it is from Diamond Painting Deutschland. So let me just move that one out of the way a second, because I can't wait to get into these. So we got 24 packets in a huge box. Again, if you check out Diamond Painting Deutschland unboxing, you will see in the playlist up there the full well, it isn't the full unboxing because it's just looking at the packets and putting them all in order and getting ready. So yeah, there are spoiler videos out there as to what everything is, but I have no idea. I've not watched them. I don't want to know what's in them. So let us see what day number 1 has brought us. Ching, 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 ching. That was supposed to be bells, by the way. If I had any bells on this, I would have played them. So I want to try and open these carefully because I love these bags. Yeah, take note, people. You might be getting a Christmas present next year with this bag. Oh no, don't tear. Right, so what's in this one? They're really good bags as well, look. How old am I getting that I think a paper bag is really good? Okay, oh look. Oh look. So we have some Christmas cards to make. Oh, what is it? Freiliche Weihnachten, if I remember rightly from my German days at school. So yeah, I mean, that's okay. I don't mind that. It has come from a German diamond painting company. So yeah, it's likely to have German words on it, but that's okay. That's not a problem. You can buy cards that've got all different languages on them as well. So I can always put a Merry Christmas on as well. Yeah, or I can always just cut these bits off. You never know. I'll see what I do, but let's have a look at the rest. So is this, I think we worked out that for the price that I paid, which was a lot of money, it is my Christmas present. So I get 24 Christmas presents this year. For the price that I paid, we worked out they were about £5.50 for each one. So we're looking to see what value we've got as to whether we would have paid £5.50 for each item. So looking at this so far, I don't see why not. See how many cards we've got. So, ooh, special drills and stars and all sorts in there. Yep. Pen boat wax. I'm going to have a lot of pen boats and waxes, I think, during this unboxing. Let me move my rubbish out the way. That's spoiling me. Do you like? I've just decided to make it a bit more festive. It might get better as I go along. It was just an afterthought. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we've got 2, 4, yep, 6 Christmas cards. Okay, and they're nice Christmas cards as well. What are we, about a 6x4 possibly? Let me just have a look. Give them a quick measure. You know what I'm like with my measurements. About 13 centimetres, 5 and a bit inches by... So they're a 5x7 card, 5 inch by 7 inch. So, 7 and a bit inches, which is about 18 centimetres. So yeah, they're a standard Christmas card size. Look like reasonable envelopes with the gum on. And yeah, they don't look particularly see-through. Apologies, the shadow. I've had to put the light on this morning, even though it is morning. It is very dark and rainy here in the UK. Why can't we have snow on the 1st of December just once? So this is a gorgeous gunk. Right, hang on a sec. So there's no sneak peek, so I'm not seeing them. I'm going to see them at the same time as you. So yeah, we will just flatten that one down a bit. It's plain inside, so you can add your sticky verse. If you remember earlier on in the year, I did buy some like peel off verses, but they're like transparent, so they do look as though they've been printed once you put them on the cards. Now I need to go and look for those because I can't remember where I've put them. Oh dear. this craft room has got to get organised, because I've reached a point now where I can't find things because there's just so much in it. So yeah, I need to do something. But anyway, that's for after Christmas probably. So we've got Blumex Diamond Painting GmbH on the back there, and it's all ho ho ho. Okay, and that is an absolute, oh look at that. Now then, do we think that these candy canes are actually on the slippers? So it's got slippers with candy canes coming out, you know, a bit like elf slippers, but rather than coming out forward, they're going upwards. Or do we think he's got pockets and he's got candy canes in each pocket? And he's just going to go and put his Christmas tree up there, look, as well, for the 1st of December. So yeah, he's lovely, like that one. Okay, and what's the next one? Ooh, okay, so it looks like we're going to have Freiliche Weihnachten on all of the cards. But that's, as I say, that's okay, that's not a problem. We can work around that. And you can always cut this part off and use that as a topper, and then you could use this as a topper as well. I think you can just about get that writing off there, and then I could put one of my stickers in the middle. Now that would look really nice, and then just mount these as toppers onto, sorry, you're getting some glare there, aren't you? I have to look to see what I'm doing really, shouldn't I? I'm too busy thinking rather than watching what I'm doing. So yeah, you could put a sticker in the middle there, so that would be quite nice as well. But that's very pretty, very nice, like that one. Okay, and what is the next one? Oh, we've got a little scene with a huge bed. Oh my goodness me. Now if that landed on my bed table, it would definitely collapse, because look at the size of the bed to the house. I'm hoping it's the perspective of this, albeit look, this tree's here in front of this bed. That is a huge bed. Goodness me. So yeah, oh, and we've got one right up there, look, as well. Just a little like shadow bed just up there. Just see that, yeah. So we've got the moon there, and we've got, it doesn't look like he's flying, it looks like he's sat on a snowflake. Magic birds in a magic land. Ooh, okay, that's number 3. So what's number 4? Ah, that's brilliant. So we've got gonks and other things as well. So if you like your gonks, great. If you don't, you've got some others. But don't forget, you are sending them to other people. You are supposed to be sending them to other people. You know me, the amount of times I've bought 2 lots of things because I like them. I need to send it out to somebody, but I also like it myself, so I buy one to keep. But yeah, a little bit of decoration on the inside of the card there as well. So they're nice quality cards, and they are shiny. So I would think probably a 300 GSM. Yeah, liking these nice quality cards. And then, oops, oh, look at that one. And I think Untyne Gutes New Jahr, I think that's Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year in German. So, okay, but as I say, the writing on the whole is away from the item there. Or you can cover it over, or just send it as is. A lot of kids particularly do speak German at school, or learn German. So yeah, but that's a lovely picture. That's a very jolly Santa, like that one with his snowman and his little gingerbread man there as well, all having a very ho ho ho. See, they've got snow. Why can't we have snow? Okay, and then number 6 finally. Oh my goodness me. A very, looks like a singing snowman there. Now then, I do think then possibly not his arms. I think he's done like, you know, your mum used to put your little mittens on a string through the back of your coat. So I think they're probably on a piece of string, and it's just a bit windy because his scarf's blowing that way and his gloves are blowing that way. And then we've got a Christmas tree here, look. So again, if you want to get more out of your cards and be a bit more frugal, which a lot of crafters are, then if you cut these in half, put that on one card, you can cut that out and put that on another card. Just add a couple of gems on those baubles on the tree there, and you've got another card there as well. So very nice. So we have 6 greetings cards. Right, 6 envelopes. Let's have a quick look at the crystals. There is a lot of... Oh, we've got a hot pink. Oh my goodness. Wow, oh goodness me, we've got right up to X. So where do we start? 16 different gems and colours. That is amazing. So we have a very deep dark red to start off with, and a lovely Christmassy red, and a sort of a champagne gold, and a pale lemony gold, and a yellowy gold, and a Christmas green, and a black there. I'm presuming that these gems, the standard drills gems, will be resin, because it's quite a high-end company, is Diamond Painting Deutschland, so I'm sure their drills will be resin and not acrylic. We've got a very pale green. I wouldn't call that a lime green, it's very pale. And a lovely bright orange. I think that's going to be for carroty noses. We've got a white drill there. I would have possibly preferred an AB, but I suppose it's Christmas cards, so yeah. And then our specials, we've got lots of special shapes. We've got a pearl there, a semisphere pearl with an iridescent coating, a semisphere full gold colour, semisphere reds, which are usually your holly berries, some, oh my goodness me, teeny tiny marquees in silver, and look at that, hot pink teardrops. So the first one we open has got hot pink teardrops in it. Yes. Oh, and then our large stars as well to finish off with. So yeah, I will get these done. I don't think I'm going to diamond paint the words. I think I will use these as card toppers, and we'll see what they're like. Right, let's pop those back in the bag. So that is day number 1. Let me just see which is my, oh, that's the jewels. Which is my favourite? Let me have a look. I do like that one because I do like Santa's. I like the snowman. I love that one. I think it's the colours on that one that I like. Yep, I think I'm going to go with the first one that I opened as my favourite. Now then, 6 cards, 6 envelopes, and all the gems. If it was English Happy Christmas, more than £5.50's worth. That's less than £1 a card. So that's really, really good value. I wouldn't have bought them with not having English wording on them, to be fair, but I can work around that. That is not a problem to me at all. You know, I've got plenty of other craft supplies and things, but, you know, I mean, if you've got German pen pals, do people still have pen pals? You can send those out. So possibly... No, I'm going to say I'm not disappointed, because I'm thinking that the nice cards, the nice pictures, and they are ones that I can use as toppers and things and do other things with. So yeah, I'm quite happy with that. I think that's really good. Right, and then just for a bit of fun, oh, we've got a bag come with us there. We're going to open our National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation Advent Calendar. So let's find number 1. This is going to be fun to do, actually, because I think... you're supposed to put the figures on here and display this out as like a little house, because you've got your seam down here, look, with the squirrel. I love that squirrel. That just makes me laugh so much when the squirrel jumps out of the door and lands on that lady, and then the dog follows it out the door as well. It just, honestly, yeah, it just really does make me laugh. That's one of my favourite parts. One of my favourite parts. It's my favourite Christmas movie. I've just realised as well that all of these are in number order, and that's the first time I think I've ever got an advent calendar where all the numbers go from 1 to 24 down here. They're all in order, so I'm not going to be thinking where's number 1, where's number 2, because you can actually see where they are. Heck, okay. So let us have a look in number 1. I'm going to try not to destroy this, because it does need to be the display box is part of the decoration. So what is in number 1? Oh, what have we got? What have we got? Oh, come on out. We've got some sort of a little figure. And what's that then? Okay. So do these fit on here then? There is like marks on here. So what is that? it looks... Is this going to be like a jigsaw or something then, rather than figures? I must admit, I did think it was going to be figures, but maybe not. Let's have a look. 25 pieces. So what's this bit then? Let's look at it different ways up. Nope, have to say absolutely no idea what that is. So you'll have to let me know. It looks like car windows, as though a car's been snowed in. And that's like, oh, I honestly do not know. So yeah, answers on a postcard, please, as to what you think that is. This could be fun. Oh my goodness. Right. And it's just dropped on the floor. Oh, do you think it goes that way up? And it is the RV. And that's the tyre. And that's the windows, possibly. And it's the back of the RV, maybe? I don't know. It does look a bit like a jigsaw piece, I have to say. So, yeah, let me know what you think that's going to be. We'll have to wait for day 2 to see what else we get. Okay, I've got a little bit of footage next of Millie opening a Christmas present that she was lucky enough to get from our wonderful carers that come in to look after hubby. Yeah, and I don't think they could quite believe how Millie opens Christmas presents. So, yeah, that will be after this. And then we'll see what we get tomorrow. Get it? Oh yeah, she's good at unwrapping. What you got? What you got? Wow. Say thank you very much. Oh my goodness. Tell you, she just loves opening parcels. You're shredding the... Oh, what have you got?
What is it?
Wow. Wow, what have you got? Oh, that is lovely. Say thank you very much.
Oh, you don't let me loose until you came out.
Oh my goodness, look. It's a snowman. Have you finished playing? Bring it here. Bring it here. Bring it here. Get him. Get him. Get him. Oh dear. Is there something in it? Is there? You got it. Have you got it?
Thought they were perfect for Christmas.
Oh, they're brilliant. Absolute. I've never seen them. Oh yeah.
They've got bells on.
They're brilliant.
So Joe's going to get them the next time.
Oh, they're wonderful. Thank you. Are you excited? I know. Oh, she's coming to you now. So I hope you've enjoyed this little advent unboxing. Still think that's rather... I think it must be that way up. I've kind of decided that I think it probably is that way up. Okay, well, if you've enjoyed looking at these with me, then as always, a thumbs up is very much appreciated. Any comments or questions in the comments down below, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. And if you want to join our little family and see what we get up to next, then if you press that subscribe button down in this corner and the all notifications bell that pops up, you'll be notified when any of my videos come out, so you won't miss anything, and you won't miss tomorrow and all 24. Actually, it says 25 on the front of the box, and that says 24. Never mind, anyway. We'll sort it out. I never said I was a professional at this. Okay, thanks ever so much for stopping by. Take care, everybody. Merry Christmas, and I do hope to see you in the next one. Bye for now.